you.
Tim McGraw.
I think the way I would describe Tim is very American.
He's a great performer.
I'm a huge country fan, and Tim McGraw is an incredible guy. I've met him a few times on Country Music Awards and all that, and his wife Faith is from the same place I am in Mississippi.
He's got a really beautiful wife.
I grew up in Tennessee, and anyone from Tennessee or Nashville, country music capital of the world, there's a sense of down-homeness.
One of my favorite, singers of all times, and I'm just happy he's here with us. I was very glad he said yes to the special.
My first impression of Tim is he's a man's man. He doesn't mean any harm, but he's got that certain flirtation with danger about him, and I dig that.
It won't be long till I'm gonna be somebody to lean on.
I don't know about you, but when the holidays come around, I start thinking about being home and the things I remember about those times. This year's been a rough one for us all, so remembering the good times becomes even more important.
That's why we asked one of our friends to join us tonight and sing a few of those songs that also bring back memories. We love this guy, and we're real excited to be singing with him for the very first time. Would you please welcome CMA Entertainer of the Year, Mr. Tim McGraw.
And the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look for should tumble and fall, tumble the mountain to crumble to the sea.
I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me.
So darling, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find an end. But I always thought that I'd see you again.
Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. Help me make a stand. Just gotta see another day. My body's
All right, I know you all know the words to this next song, so I want to hear you singing it really loud. Sometimes in our life, we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow.
Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Just call on the brother when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. 'Cause I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on.
All right, it's gonna be your turn, guys, to sing this part. You guys ready? Here we go.
We all need somebody to lean on.
We're gonna do one more time. This time it's just gonna be all of you, so sing real loud. Let me hear you. You ready? Here we go.
Lean on me, yeah, when you're not strong.
Not strong
And I'll be your friend. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Oh, it won't be long. I'm gonna need somebody to lean
Tim McGraw, everybody.
NSYNC Live, the Atlantis concert continues with more hits, some island magic, and more from Tim McGraw.